Hello, financial freedom seekers. Welcome back to our channel where we decode the mysteries of money making. It takes $12.4 million to join Monaco's wealthiest group. The US, by comparison, requires $5.1 million to make the cut. The entry point for Monaco's richest is more than 200 times greater than the $57,000 needed to join the 1% in the Philippines, which is one of the lowest ranked of 25 locations. It takes $12.4 million to make the cut in the tiny Mediterranean principality, where billionaire residents such as UK industrialist Jim Ratcliffe and Walgreens Boots Alliance chairman Stefano Pessina typically don't face income or capital gains taxes. Switzerland and Australia have the next highest entry points to the 1%, requiring net worth of $6.6 million and $5.5 million, respectively, according to data released Wednesday as part of the Property Broker's 2023 Wealth Report. In the US, $5.1 million will get you over the threshold. The findings underscore how the pandemic and surging living costs are widening the gap between rich and poor nations. The entry point for Monaco's richest is more than 200 times greater than the $57,000 needed to join the 1% in the Philippines, which is one of the lowest ranked of 25 locations in Knight Frank's study. What it takes to join the 1%. Lower-income households worldwide are feeling the burden of inflation, which has forced them to spend a far larger share of their income on food. Meanwhile, the world's 500 richest people have added almost $600 billion to their combined fortunes this year, with Meta Platforms Inc. founder Mark Zuckerberg gaining the most. Growing inequality globally could see a greater focus on this group, particularly in the sights for greater taxation on assets and even emissions. The global number of ultra-wealthy individuals fell 3.8% in 2022 to about 580,000 after surging the previous year. Still, Middle East nations including the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia saw an increase last year as energy prices rebounded. The recent dip will prove short-lived as we adapt to a new economic environment. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income and affiliate marketing. I have my affiliate marketing links listed below on this channel. Please click on them now and discover the best affiliate marketing program I am very proud to be a part of, which is onlinebusiness.app. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment below, and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.